Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac ATS key fob. First, gather all your existing and new key fobs. This procedure takes about 30 to 40 minutes, so ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. Next, locate the driver's door key lock cylinder, which is usually hidden under a small cap that needs to be carefully removed. To begin, insert the emergency key blade into the exposed door lock cylinder. Turn the key counterclockwise to the unlock position 5 times within 10 seconds. Your Driver Information Center, or DIC, will then display a message like Remote Learn Pending. Please wait. This indicates the vehicle is entering the learning sequence. After the initial step, you will wait 10 minutes, then press the engine start button. Repeat this 10-minute wait and button press 2 more times. The DIC will then display ready for remote number 1. Now, place your new key fob into the transmitter pocket, typically found inside the center console. Press the engine start/stop button, then remove the fob and press the unlock button to finalize its programming. If you have more key fobs to program, simply repeat the previous steps for each one. Once all your key fobs are programmed, press and hold the engine start/stop button for approximately 12 seconds to exit the programming mode. Finally, it is crucial to test every single key fob to ensure they can successfully lock, unlock, and start your Cadillac ATS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.